What is up, guys? Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. My name is Wommack, and today we want to be taking a look at another picture that you guys highly requested. It's this picture right here of NESSA Barrett, the one that really has that vintage vibe to it. Once again, those green shadows. And today I want to show you how to recreate this look, or at least come super close to this look using your smartphone and the free Lightroom app only. Now, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. If you just want to save some time, or you don't want to toggle along to the whole tutorial, just easily download it from my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 150 presets. And the cool thing about that pack is that every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated and added to the pack. So once you buy it, you will be getting new presets every week. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And if there's anything else you need from me, any questions you have, or just new ideas for new videos, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation. So feel free to do that. Now I've said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing, of course, you want to do is open the picture in the free Lightroom app. So we're going to do this right now. Open the app, and then I chose this picture right here of NESSA Barrett. Again, just because it comes close to those settings. There's that dark room in the background, those really bright walls. So I thought this was the perfect base. Then we go to light right here, curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is. This is really important. So on the bottom left side, you want to pull up those shadows, and then on the upper right side, those highlights, you want to pull them down, and then in between, just create that S curve, kind of leaning towards the bottom left side. So once you have this curve as it is right here, we're done. Now we just want to pull down the exposure here to negative 0.09. The contrast, we want to pull that down to negative 17 right here. The highlights, we want to boost up all the way to plus 13 or 14 right there. Then the shadows, we want to pull down to negative 12. The whites, we want to pull down as well to negative 26 or 27. And the blacks, we want to pull down all the way to negative 34 right here. Then we go over to color, and here we just want to boost the temperature to plus 10 or plus 9 right there. The vibrance, we want to pull down to negative 13 or 12. And the saturation, we want to boost up just a little bit to around plus 4 right there. Then we scroll up, hit the color mix on the upper right side, and here we want to pull down the hue of the reds to negative 22. Then the saturation, we want to boost that up a little bit to plus 5. Leave the luminance at 0. But the orange tones right here, we want to boost up the hue plus 12. And we want to boost up the saturation as well to plus 27. But we want to pull down the luminance a little bit to negative 4. Then the yellow tones, hue, boost that up to plus 15 or 16, saturation all the way up to plus 27 right there, and leave the luminance at 0. We are done with the color mix. Now for the grading right here, what you want to do for the shadows is just boost the hue all the way to 217 right here, and the saturation up to around 46. And now you can really see those shadows, that black in the background, getting that blue tone, and this is what we're going for. Now for the midtones, that next circle right here, we want to pull the hue up to around 86 and boost the saturation just really slightly to, let's say, 4, to give it that really soft orange tone. And then right here, the highlights, we want to boost the hue to around 44 and the saturation all the way up to 50 in this case, to give those walls that kind of orange tone, as in that NESSA Barrett picture that we're going for. So we're done here. Then we go over to effects, and now we just want to pull down the texture a little bit to negative 9, pull down the clarity also to negative 18 right here, and dehaze, we want to boost that up to plus 27, and then we want to add grain, of course, to plus 21 right here, just a little bit, and then we're done. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that NESSA Barrett picture that we were going for, that kind of vintage tone. We got the grain, we got those blue shadows, and I think we nailed the skin tones as well. Now, of course, keep in mind that it's not the exact picture because it's not the exact setting. We're only using our smartphone and the free Lightroom app. But with all this in mind, I think we did a great job, and I'm really happy with the result. Let me know what you think about this edit. Just comment under this video or DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Also DM me if there's anything else you need, if you have any questions or anything like that. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this NESSA Barrett inspired look. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 150 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And as I said in the beginning, every time I create new presets, do new videos, they're automatically updated to that pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every time I create them. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, thank you once again so much for watching. Thank you for showing this channel love. Thank you for supporting me. You're really motivating me and making this fun. So I just have to thank you, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.